Hello, you all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my Facebook page. So, guys, in this video, I'm about to try out makeup for the first time, makeup and lashes for the first time. Guys, I haven't done makeup on my face since I was born. Although, when I was little, I do play around with lipsticks, eye pencils, my mom's own, but at a point, I lost the vibe to all those things, but today I'm trying out makeup on my face, proper makeup, okay? So this is my friend. She's learning how to be a professional makeup artist. So she was given an assignment to do a makeup on someone's face and she chose me, her bestie. So guys, I'm getting a free makeup today. So this is her carving my eyebrows for months now. I haven't carved my eyebrows, so that's what she's doing right here, as you can see.
Your bro full dey even touch ground.
So guys, continue watching to see how I turned from basic to baddie with this cute makeup look. She really did a good job, though she's still learning, but she did so well. She tried so much to hide all my dark spots and give me that color that matches my real complexion. Yeah, she really did a good job. And guys, I also fixed eyelashes. Oh my god, I really look good on eyelashes. I didn't know I would look so good on eyelashes, but yeah, I look so good on eyelashes. I never believed I would look good on eyelashes, guys. And this was my first time trying out eyelashes. My very first time. I haven't worn eyelashes before. So, although the eyelashes I wore, she took it out the same day because it's just, doing practicals with my face. So, she needs her eyelashes back. And guys, look at the way my hair is looking. After this makeup, I did a high bun on my hair to make my hair look good with the makeup. So guys, this is my eyebrows after she was done carving it, and she have put some foundation, I don't know, around my eyebrow, making it look like that. So guys, the girl is becoming pretty, as you can see. My dark spots are no longer there. She's really doing a good job, and I'm so eager to see the outcome. So guys, at this point I was just checking myself out and I was telling her to put some foundation around my neck to cover those spots at my neck. The girl is becoming pretty. Yeah. Yes, guys, the girl is actually becoming pretty. Like, I couldn't find the spots on my face any longer. So at this point, she was still trying to do her stuff. I don't know the steps in this. I'm just watching what she's doing because I don't know what is going on. I'm just staring and waiting to see how I'm going to look after all these processes, after all those makeup processes. She's really doing good, but I gave her a tough time, guys. I gave this girl a really tough time. I couldn't stay one place. I was with my phone, I was with the mirror. I wanted to see everything that was going on, guys. As a friend, she understood the situation, and she wasn't angry. Rather, we were all laughing and happy about what is going on. So guys, continue watching to see how this baby girl is gonna come out looking cute.
Daddy Chi. Madam, don't tie your eyes up like this.
Don't enter my eye.
That's why I say tie your eyes up.
So guys, this is the before look, and this is the after look. Guys, I couldn't recognize myself. I'm so much in love with this makeup. It is very beautiful. Guys, she really did a good job. It doesn't even look like what a beginner did. It looks like what a professional makeup artist did. The color blending is superb. She did a good job. I am so happy, and I'm going to be trying out makeup this time around. I'm going to be buying makeup stuff because I'm loving this look, guys. I'm loving these looks. No dark spots. The girl is glowing.
Yeah. Being the baby.
Yeah.
You look pretty, babe.
Thank you.
Ah, the guy's hot. Babe. This is Ideal Makeup Glams. Ideal Makeup Glams. Oh, meet my first model. I'm still trying, working on to perfection.
Yeah.
So you should not chop me raw if there's any mistake.
And the face model is giving what she's supposed to give.
Face model by, what's your name?
Chris Violet.
Oh my God, you can say that again.
Violet, baby.
Oh, what you didn't do, you look good.
Thank you.
It's also your smile when you're not working. You got a good smile, babe.